I worked with Charles Armstrong, the Armstrong brothers' father, when this project was initiated. Charles told me that he had several problems with farming in this basin. Frost was one of his concerns because it's low-lying, as well as, of course, the low-lying area was also a wet area, and drainage was an issue. It was unbelievable the amount of planning that goes into this. It ended up to be 7 phases of work, including the engineering and the ecological science part of it. I would consider this project a total success. I'm not sure what more we could ask for here. It's flood prevention, it's land treatment, it's wildlife habitat, it's recreational opportunities, all here.